This goes under the heading of bad news. The largest private employer in Natchitoches Parish is closing its manufacturing plant in Campti. International Paper announced yesterday the mill's 500 employees will be terminated in early April as the facility shuts down. We get reactions from residents of Campti and more details from Madison Edwards.
Good evening, Architects. I'm standing outside the International Paper Mill in Campti, Louisiana, where soon over 500 employees will lose their jobs in April. The company announced Thursday it will begin winding down operations March 31st. International Paper announced the closing of the Campti Red River Containerboard Mill Thursday. The mill will begin terminating employees in April. The company says the closure will affect 495 hourly and 179 salaried employees. Mike White worked as a chipyard operator at the Red River Mill for 50 years. He retired 8 months ago and says the community at the mill was like a family to him.
At one time, at that mill, it ain't like it used to be, but we were all family. And we were concerned about everybody. And you're talking about over 500 people going to lose their job.
An estimated $5.7 million of tax revenue for Natchitoches Parish will be lost, with close to $300,000 worth of funding to Fire District 9, which serves Campti. Law enforcement parish-wide will lose over $1 million of tax revenue. Laird Scott says he worked at the mill and is concerned about the economic impact the closure will have on emergency services.
I know a lot of people that works that mill. I've worked there before. With the limited work around here, it's going to impact all those guys, their families, small businesses, schools, possibly hospitals. I mean, it's going to affect the whole entire parish.
The Natchitoches Economic Development Alliance is working with state and local workforce development partners to help assist displaced workers get hired in other manufacturing jobs. State Senator Alan Seabaugh says rapid response assistance is in place to help affected employees transition to new jobs quickly. Natchitoches Mayor Ronnie Williams says the city will work hard to promote and improve the economic health in the area by focusing on attracting new businesses. Meanwhile, NSU President James Genovese says the university is exploring ways to support displaced workers through workforce training, professional development, and fostering pathways to new careers. Meanwhile, the Natchitoches Parish School Board was set to have a special meeting to address the economic impact on the school system, but that meeting was canceled. We will update you whenever another meeting is called and cover that as well. Now reporting in Campti for KTBS 3 News, I'm Madison Edwards.